Hi guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, welcome. If you didn't subscribe yet, do it. Like, it takes 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter, then you can know when I come up with a new video for you guys. So for today's video, guys, I want to try 2 drugstore foundations. I've seen lots of tutorial and video on YouTube, like half face with high-end and half face with drugstore, and this time I just want to try 2 drugstore foundation that make kind of a buzz in 2018. Those here, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and the L'Oreal Infaillible 24 hours fresh wear. So both are full coverage, both are 24 hours, and I think both are matte. This may be less matte than this one, but I played with both, and yeah, you can check in on my channel my first impression on both. And I just want to not help, because I'm like you know, I play with makeup and I love doing this. I just want to see which one maybe is the best, because everyone now is falling in love with the L'Oreal one, like with this one, the Infaillible one, and before it was this one. Like every time I go on my iPad and I see YouTubers, they really was in love with this foundation, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I didn't really get what's happened. Is it every time new foundation coming out, the YouTuber will say that it's awesome? Like now the new foundation is the Tarte Face Tape. This is the new. I've already ordered it, by the way, because I live in Switzerland. It doesn't come here, so I have to make an order on website online. So I've already done it, sorry. And yeah, I just want to see which one maybe is the best. Let's jump to the video, guys. Mwah! So my face is already primed. I've used the Benefit Professional to prime my pores. I don't know, but I still like this one. I mean, I've tried lots of primers. The one that I want to try is the e.l.f. one, you know, the e.l.f. Because everyone said that is the dupe of the Tatcha Silk Canvas one. And I really want to test this one, but I will make like a video full face of one brand, because I love those videos, you know, like, and maybe it will be on e.l.f. brand. I don't know yet. Colourpop, e.l.f., I don't know. We'll see. Okay, stay tuned for that. So let's jump now to the those foundation. I'm in the shade, this is Light Porcelain in the Can't Stop Won't Stop, and this one is in let me tell you, please, Rose Ivory Light Porcelain. Okay, this side will be the NYX side and this side will be the L'Oreal side, then we can see. Let's start with the Infaillible Fresh Wear L'Oreal, like the L'Oreal side, sorry, and this side. Then I will do the other side with the NYX. There is a pump in both, glassy packaging both. So the amount, like here you have 30 ml in the L'Oreal one, and in the NYX one you have, both 30 ml. So yeah, I mean, it's fair enough. So let's do the L'Oreal one in this side, okay? Here it is. So first, the L'Oreal one is runny, like ready, liquidy, okay? It doesn't bother me. And I will use my beauty sponge for both. So the shade is, I wish it can be like lightest. I know that you don't see it very well on the camera, but I wish, but maybe if I do the other side with the next one you can see the difference. I wish the shade be like lightest than this one, than the rose eye, because it's really pinky. It's more pinky in this side. It's okay, I can fix it with the concealer. It's dewy. You don't feel it, I mean it's not heavy. And it's sticky. It means that I have to set it with yeah, I have to set it with a powder, right? Let me just make something on my lips, because I feel that my lips are like naked. If it does make sense. I really love this. I got it for years now, like, believe it or not, but I love it. I really love it. It's so creamy. It's by Chanel. But I love it. So creamy. You see it completely nude. Love it. And this is like not a full size, it's a mini size. I like that. So yeah, this is, it stay a little bit sticky, okay? We'll let it stay to see. This is what I'm talking about when I say it's pinky. Look at my hand, white and a little bit pinky, you see? Rose ivory. Okay, let's see now this side. This side will be the next side, okay? Next side. The other hand. I will do 2 pumps, okay? Then it can be, it's not runny, like liquidy like the other one, like the L'Oreal one. And the shade sounds be, it is a little bit, you see, but not so much. And the shade seems okay. I will turn my beauty blender like this, the bottom, and yeah, just do it. The shade is definitely fairest than the other side, no joke. Once again, when you pick your foundation or your makeup on drugstore, it's not easy to find the right shade. You can really see that. I will show you, I mean, I will be more closer to the camera than you can see, but you can see the difference because of the shades, you know. This is for those who really like drugstore makeup more than high-end one, because believe me, some makeup are really better in drugstore than in high-end side. Like seriously, it means nothing that it's high-end or drugstore. The quality is what we are all looking for. So here we have both. Next side, L'Oreal side, right? So I'll let you see. Fix. So this is the next side. It's less pinky or peachy. And this is the L'Oreal side. So what do you think, guys? Which side do you prefer? So this side is already set. okay? Just to let you know. This side is really, you don't need the powder, you need nothing, it's already set. This side, it's a little bit sticky, like really a little bit. Like, personally, I will make a little bit of powder, okay? I feel personally that this side is, fills my pores better than this side. I don't know why. This is the L'Oreal side and this is the NYX side, and I feel that the NYX side fills my pores. Look, fills my pores better than this side. Forget my pimple, please, okay? What do you think? Personally, this is what I feel like. This side, I don't see too much my pores, and this side, I feel that I see them more. I don't know, look at here. Maybe because this side is more dewy. This side is more dewy, the L'Oreal side is more dewy than the NYX side. You have to know that. And yeah, the NYX side is really matte, like completely matte. The L'Oreal side, no. Both of them are really light on the skin, like they are not heavy. Even if I make like 2 pumps on each side, you don't feel it. Both of them, they don't set in my smile lines or my wrinkles or things like that. Both of them are, for me, full coverage, because for me it's enough coverage. I don't need too much. I'm not a full coverage girl. So what I will do now is to make some concealer, powder, all the things I do on my complexion to see how they react both, you know. And yeah, we will talk about it later. For concealer, guys, I will go back to my favorite one. This is by MAC. I really like this one, guys, and I didn't use it for a while now. I just want to come back to it. I like it because it's creamy and buildable, and yeah, all what I like in concealer. I wish one day, you know, to do a full video of Instagram inspiration, like the triangle thing, you know, like with the concealing and the whole contouring, like really big contouring, you know what I mean, like full face of Instagram trend. Just a moment. I'm really picky, guys. I need to clean my hands every time I use like in the second. I really need to clean my hand. Don't know why, like I'm picky with that. I have to. At the same time, I can let my concealer set a little bit under my eyes, and I can work with. Okay, let's do it. I love this concealer, guys. Really love it. So guys, here it is. Everything is done, like powdering, foundation, powdering, concealer, contouring, blush, highlight, everything. And what I think, this side still really matte, like really you don't need to set it once again. It works really easily with everything, all powders. This side too, but I feel that this side you really have to take care because I didn't set it too. I don't know if you check, if you see on the, during the video, I didn't set it too because I want to see how both it works. And since I didn't set this side, when I make the blush comes like too much, you know, on my face, but it's normal because I didn't set it, you know. So I feel, but now it's less sticky, like really it's less sticky. I feel that both sides are really good. What I can advise for those who have a dry skin like me, I feel that for sure I will go for this foundation, the L'Oreal one. Why? Because it's dewy, it's more dewy than the NYX one. The NYX one is really great because you don't need to set it, and no, when I see my face like closer, let's see together, please, you have to help me here, like honestly. When you see my face closer, look at this side. This is the NYX side. Look at my pores. Here is the area that I hate the most because I have big pores in this area. Look at this side. And look at this side. You see? Like I feel that this side, the L'Oreal one, it doesn't fill my pores, okay? And this side with this, the NYX one, it really fills my pores. You see what I mean? I don't know. Okay. So, for me, I will play with both. I can't tell you, I don't know. I need maybe to play with them more and more to see which one will really be good for me. The L'Oreal one, of course, I'm not so good with it because of the shade, but this is my fault. I need to grab the right shade, but as you see, I can make it work, it's okay. The next one, what I like in the next one is I don't need to set it. Like when I'm in the rush, I think when I'm in the rush I will use this one. When I have time, like to really do everything and to play with makeup or something like that, I think I will go with this one. It really depends on you, on your mood, on the time that you have to do your makeup. That's it, guys. Hope and I cross my fingers that this video helped you to find the right foundation for you, the one with which you can choose to grab, because I know that you buy it by your own money, and even if it's drugstore, it's your own coins, so that's why I'm doing this kind of videos, guys. So let me know please in the comment box, what do you think? Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for following me. Subscribe if you didn't do already, and yeah, be happy, enjoy, and big kiss, guys.